Today I'm going to teach you how to track statements and bill payments with Smartsheet. This is incredibly useful if you want to stay on top of your finances and avoid missing payment deadlines. Smartsheet makes it easy to organize everything in one place and even automate reminders so you never forget a due date. First, open your browser and head over to smartsheet.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. This will take you to your Smartsheet homepage where you can access all your existing files and sheets. Once you're on the homepage, take a moment to browse through your existing files to see if you already have a sheet set up for tracking bills. If you do, great. You can open that and customize it as needed. But if you don't have one yet, don't worry. We'll create a new one from scratch to perfectly suit your bill tracking needs. For this tutorial, we need to set up several columns that will help you organize your bill payments and statements effectively. Start by adding a column called bill/statement name and set it to text/number format. This will store the name of each bill or statement you're tracking. Next, add a due date column and format it as date. This is where you'll record when each payment is due. Now create an amount due column, also formatted as text/number, to track how much you owe for each bill. Add another column called amount paid, again using text/number format to record what you've actually paid. Then add a payment status column and format it as a dropdown with 3 options: paid, pending, and overdue. This makes it easy to see at a glance which bills still need attention. Next, create a payment method column formatted as a dropdown with options like credit card, bank transfer, and check. Add a payment date column formatted as date to record when you made each payment. Finally, add a notes column using text/number format for any additional information you might need to track. These columns will give you a comprehensive system for organizing all your bill payments and statements. Now let's set up an automation that will send you a notification when a payment is still pending and the due date is approaching. At the top of your screen, click on Automation. This opens up Smartsheet's powerful automation tools. Click Create from Scratch to build a custom automation. First, we need to set the trigger. Click the trigger option and select when rows are added or changed. Then where it says Any Field, click and select Payment Status from the dropdown. Add a value by selecting any value. Now we'll create a condition to make this automation smart. On Select Field, choose Payment Status. Then on the Operator dropdown, make it is equal to. Type pending in the value field. This ensures the automation only triggers for bills that haven't been paid yet. Click Add Another Condition to refine this further. On Select Field, click Due Date. Then on the Operator, select Is in the next day. Type 3 or whatever number of days you prefer as your warning window. This gives you advance notice before a bill is actually due. Now click Alert Someone under Select Actions. Here you'll select who should receive this alert, probably yourself, but you can add others if needed. This ensures you'll get a timely reminder about upcoming pending payments. Once you're done configuring everything, click Save to store your automation. You'll see it appear in your automation list. On the right side of that automation, click the 3 dots and select Activate. This turns the automation on so it starts monitoring your sheet and sending alerts. If you want to visualize your data and get a better overview of your payment patterns, you can head over to your dashboard. Here you can add reports, metrics, and charts that pull from your bill tracking sheet. This gives you a visual representation of your payment history and upcoming obligations. And that's it. You've now set up a complete bill tracking system in Smartsheet with automated reminders to keep you on top of your payments. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.